Hi guys, in this lesson I would like to talk about requirements, which is a common term used to refer to all the dependencies needed to make a Python program work. So let's get started. First, let's open the terminal. Let's choose command prompt. Let's create the virtual environment, Python -m venv.venv. Click yes. And now let's activate it. /venv /scripts /activate. And as you can see, it's active. So let's install some package. Pip install request beautiful 𝗟𝗰𝗢𝗅. Click enter. And after this, let's check the installation. Pip list. Okay. So, these are all the packages we need to run our program. But what if we want to give someone else the ability to run this program? If someone attempts to do the installation at the same time as us, it's easy. Pip install request beautiful 𝗟𝗰𝗢𝗅. However, in a few months, the version of the package might be different, and so call the function of these packages. The correct way to save the dependencies of a Python program is to save them in a txt file. So let's do it. Using the pip freeze /bracket requirements.txt. Let's open the file. As you can see, this is how is usually a requirements.txt file. The name of the package and the version. Now, let's try to install this requirements.txt file instead of how we did. So, let's deactivate the environment. And let's remove the .venv folder. And now let's create a new environment. But first let's check the current environment, pip list. Let's recreate the environment. And let's activate it. And now pip install -r requirements.txt. Let's check the installation. Pip list. And as you can see, the same package as before has been installed. Now let's create our program. Import requests. New line from bs4 import beautiful soup. Let's define the main. As you may already understand, this program is designed to scrape a given website. URL equal quotation marks new line scraped _ data equal scrape _ website parenthesis URL new line if scraped _ data colon new line save _to files parenthesis scraped _ data. Now let's pick a site forbes.com. As you can see, it's full of text and links. Let's try to take as much as we can. Let's copy the URL. Let's paste it. And let's define the _website function. Try, column, new line, response, equal, requests dot get, parentheses, URL, new line, response dot raise for status, parentheses, new line, soup equal beautiful soup, parentheses, response dot text, comma, quotation marks, HTML dot parser, new line, HTML equal soup dot prettify, parentheses, new line, text equal soup dot get text, parentheses, separator equal quotation marks \n, comma, strip equal true, new line, links equal square brackets a square brackets quotation marks href for a in soup dot find all, parentheses, quotation marks a, comma, href equal true, return curly brackets quotation marks html column html, comma, quotation marks text column text, comma, quotation marks links column links, new line, except requests dot exceptions dot request exception as e, column, new line, print f string error column curly brackets e, new line, return none. Let's save to files. Timestamp equal datetime dot now, parentheses, dot strf time, parentheses, quotation marks, %y, %m, %d, underscore, %h, %m, %s, new line, folder underscore name equal f string scraped data underscore curly brackets timestamp, new line, os dot make dirs, parentheses, folder underscore name, new line, with open, parentheses, os dot path dot join, parentheses, folder underscore name, comma, quotation marks, file dot html, comma, quotation marks, w, comma, encoding, quotation marks, UTF-8 as file, column, new line, file dot write parentheses data, square brackets, quotation marks, HTML, and let's copy these two lines, copy and paste it. Let's change the name, text.txt, and here text. Let's copy also this and paste it, and let's change the name, links, and here quotation marks, \n dot join parentheses data, square brackets, quotation marks, links. And that's it. Let's try to run it. Let's check in the files. Here is the folder. And as you can see, this is an HTML page. It's a very long HTML page. Here are the links. Okay. And here the text. All the text in the page. Let's try to open the file.html. Reveal in File Explorer. Double click. And as you can see, here is the link of the page. And it looks very similar to the original. So it means we get a lot of. So that's it. Let's recap. Lesson 11 hyphen requirements. We learn how to use the freeze to create the requirements.txt file, and we learn a bit about requests and 𝗟𝗶𝘂𝘅. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.